Having a simple and game-changing barbecue chicken thigh recipe is so important. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything so that you can know how to grill charcoal chicken thighs perfectly the next time you have a get together. You know what to do. It's your boy Saucy Rossi. Hit those buttons, like and subscribe. Today, I'm using a delicious barbecue dry rub from Beer League BBQ. It's called Coast to Coast, and it's a Cajun dry rub. As you can see here, this seasoning looks absolutely fantastic. A beautiful mix of herbs and spices. This one's going to be delicious, guys. Let's go ahead and season this chicken up. We want to make sure to get both sides on top of the skin, below the skin, every portion of the chicken thigh. That's really important. Seasoning really brings out flavors, and, well, to be fair, it's the entire flavor. You're really needing to season liberally. Now, I like to make sure to season the top and bottom. Then I'll just pull back the skin on these thighs and give it a nice little layer of seasoning under there as well. Put the skin back to where it was, and we're ready to go. As you can see here, these chicken thighs are looking spectacular. So let's go ahead, fire up the Napoleon charcoal grill with a bed of Kingsford charcoal. And we're going to set it up with 2-zone cooking. Set this chicken on there, skin side down. That's going to be the perfect way to get things going. Don't worry about it. I'm Canadian. It's always snowing here. Snow does not affect this cook. You know, keeping the lid open does reduce the temperature, but that Kingsford charcoal will bring it right back up to the right temp in just a few moments. So it's really not that big of a deal that I'm just filming like this, having a quick look. And as you can see here, that crispy skin is developing. We got a nice little bit of char. That seasoning looks beautiful. So let's go ahead and pull these chicken thighs over off of direct heat and onto indirect heat. This is going to allow us to continue cooking these chicken thighs, but not have that heat source directly attacking the chicken. And as you can see here, this thing's at 500 degrees. So if you keep those chicken thighs right above those coal beds, bud, you're going to totally burn the chicken. That's why we use indirect heat. I can't emphasize this enough, everyone. It's extremely important. And as you can see here, this chicken's looking beautiful. We got that snowstorm on the go. It's like -10 outside, but that doesn't matter. Charcoal is unreal and keeps beautiful temperatures. You can see here, this thing is rip-roaring hot. And like I've been describing, over and over. The 2-zone cooking method with a charcoal grill, where as you can see there, we got one side with and one side without the charcoal. That is one of the best ways to set up your grill for almost any cook. It really helps. Low and slow, hot and fast. It's one of those techniques that I think everybody should be aware of. So do yourself a favor. If you're using a charcoal grill, make sure you understand the 2-zone cooking method. But as you can see here, beautiful crispy skin. That seasoning looks absolutely fantastic. I just took the temperature of these chicken thighs and they passed 165 degrees internal. To be clear, I actually brought them closer to 180 degrees internal. And as you can see, this is looking incredible. Man, juicy, tender, and delicious. The smell is just so aromatic and fantastic. And look, if you like simple recipes like this one, just straightforward, how to grill meat recipes, how to make a great dinner, then you need to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit those buttons. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And if you're really into supporting me, you can always join my Rub Club, a community of home cooks that are like-minded, supporting my channel, helping me upgrade everything from cameras to lighting to just supporting me getting more meat and stuff to cook and show for you guys. Man, oh man, doesn't this chicken thigh look spectacular? That's what I'm talking about, guys. I hope you're here. I hope you're watching this video, and I hope you get better at grilling. It's just that simple. You know what to do. Hit those buttons, like, subscribe, and until next time, take care and stay safe.